Click on the NOCARC logo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Within the network configuration menu, activate the Wi-Fi by toggling the button. It will turn green once activated. Choose the Wi-Fi network you wish to connect to and enter the password. Verify the Wi-Fi connection status by checking the Wi-Fi icon located at the top right corner of the screen. If the icon is on, the ventilator is successfully connected to the Wi-Fi. Navigate to Horizon View and activate it by toggling the button next to Activate Horizon View. Check for the Horizon View icon at the top right corner of the screen. Log into your Horizon View account using given login credentials from NOCARC via website or mobile application to monitor live parameters, alarms, and trend data.